Want to see me change out a door? I still got to fix that door. So let's change that door out. Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Well, hopefully this mic's working. I had another one, I lost it, so I gotta get the lavalier. I gotta get the other parts of this shit. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the sound. I'm trying this out. We'll see how this works. Today's project, you gotta fix this steel door. Now, when the firefighters came in to put out the fire at this laundromat, they opened up every door. Well, this door was all metal, and it's kind of pricey, and I think I can repair it. And I know I probably should just buy a new one, but I mean, I hate to throw away a year-old door. So today what I'm going to do is take this out. I'm going to take it home to my shop, cut it open. I'm going to cut it open and take out all the dents that they put in the one end and then weld it back together and see what we got. Let's get started. Now I put all these screws in here because I don't want anybody to break in. And here. I know what you're thinking. You see all the wires down there. There's a little bit of a mess. See, it locks.
My car insurance dropped me. I couldn't drive.
All right. Well, at least it's got the heat on over here. Let's turn the TV off.
Visit goodtogo.com.
At least we got the heat on. Not gonna totally freeze to death here. I'm gonna take the door locks out, even though they're probably junk. Put all this stuff over here in a bucket where I can lose it. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Yeah, take everything if it ain't bolted down. Even if it is. Yeah, even if it is. I don't think you want me doing your laundry. What's that? Oh, just change. You gotta get this door fixed. You're fine, you're fine. Just wasn't expecting to see somebody there.
What's that?
I said when I came out, I wasn't expecting to see somebody there. That shocked me.
Just moseying around.
Yeah, you're fine.
What's that other part of the building?
Just storage, you know, like brooms and cleaning supplies. It's really pretty much empty. Maybe an old machine or two will get thrown back there, but
That's an older building too.
yeah. They used to rent it out for storage to other people at one time, but little life lesson for you. Whenever somebody says something right off the bat, they're telling the truth. So when that guy said, "Hey, I'm not stealing nothing," I kind of doubt that. People usually are bad poker players and they'll tell you more than you should know. And I don't trust that guy. But he's doing laundry, so we'll leave him alone.